Yeah, you're recording.
I'm corning?
Yeah, recording.
Okay, it's corning.
Yeah, recording. Let me see. Yeah, you're recording.
Yeah, I'm corn.
Yeah.
Yo, Willie. Papa Willie. Where we go, we don't need time.
Standing up.
It's better, right?
Yeah.
I told you. Listen, let's go back there. That spot right there is a little bit more flat. Let's go back over there because it seems a little bit more stable, so you can like. Yeah, my problem. A little bit more lower. Go ahead, bro. Go ahead.
Hold on.
Bro. Go ahead. Hit the clutch. Is it in gear?
I don't know, Will did it.
Let go of the clutch and move it back and forth. Is it moving? No, it's on gear. Put it on neutral. Just like a regular bike. Kick it all the way down. Go ahead, tap it. Okay, not hard. Just tap it. Now halfway up. Halfway up. Go ahead.
It is up.
Move it back and forth. See that?
Gear.
Hit the clutch, bro. When you're doing that. Hit the clutch. There you go. You went too high. Go ahead. Put it all the way down again. Do it again halfway. There you go. Go ahead. Start it up. There you go. You on first. There you go. Go. I don't think he's gonna stop.
No.
Hello from the other side.
But gear. Yo. Where's the fucking gear? And stop looking down.
Stop looking down.
Where's the gear?
Go gear.
Oh
Listen.
my God.
Remember clutch.
Don't look down.
Bro, you need to hit clutch to hit clutch. Kick it up. Clutch. Kick it up. Hurry up, man. Hurry up. Hurry up.
Start going close to the edge.
You passed. Here's your license.
So get the fuck out of here.